When looking at a hazard, I always try to stay in the top 3. I do not like to go into the bottom 2. And the reason being, well, why do you guys think that? And not just because it's more effective up top and less effective at the bottom, but why do I try and stay in the top 3?
More room for human error in the bottom 2.
That's exactly it. That's exactly it. I eliminate human error when I'm in the top 3. If I eliminate electricity, what's the human error at that point when working around electricity? There's none there, right? If I'm substituting or using engineering controls to isolate people from them, they can't interact with the hazard at that point. But when you start going to administrative controls, think of a speed limit. Now, how'd you guys get here? You guys drove? All right. Did you guys speed? Everybody has sped at one point in their life.
I was definitely speeding.
So everybody has sped at one point in their life. We've all been 16. We've been in high school. We've showed off to our friends, and we have driven stupid at some point, right, and sped. Speed limits, they're an administrative control. Think about it. It's a guideline. You can still drive faster. You can drive slower, but it's an administrative control. Same thing with lockout, tagout procedures. It's used to eliminate the source, but you have to follow the procedure and do it correctly, right? So there's room for human error there. PPE is the same thing. You're putting it back on the people to wear the proper PPE, to inspect their PPE, to put it on, make sure it's in good condition, and then do the job. All right, and that's why I try to stay out of the bottom 2. Here's the difference with arc flash, though, because you guys have seen like the pyramid for injuries, where 300 near misses is 30 recordables and 1 fatality type deal. How many arc flash events? Do you think it takes 30 arc flash events for 1 fatality? No. It doesn't work that way for arc flash. All it takes is 1 to get a recordable or 1 to get a fatality. It doesn't take, I'm going to have 300 potential arc flashes and then I'm going to die. No, it only takes 1. And that's why the PPE is so important. Yes, it's less effective. Yes, you're putting it back on the people and it's your last line of defense. But all it takes is 1 arc flash to completely change your life. So it's a huge part in your electrical safety program to protect your people.